VIP. Let's kick it. Ice, ice, baby. Ice, ice, baby. Alright, stop, collaborate and listen. Ice is back with a brand new invention. Something grabs a hold of me tightly, flow like a harpoon daily and nightly. Will it ever stop? Yo, I don't know. Turn off the lights, and I'll glow. To the extreme, I rock a mic like a vandal. Light up a stage and wax a chump like a candle. Dance, rush the speaker that booms. I'm killing your brain like a poisonous mushroom. Deadly, when I play a dope melody. Anything less than the best is a felony. Love it or leave it, you better gain weight. You better hit the bullseye, the kid don't play. And if there was a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Check out the hook while my DJ revolves it. Ice, ice, baby.
Hi there, thank you for watching a preview to my reality show concept, Slick's Welding. Slick's Welding is an unscripted, unplanned, unorthodox, and seasonal miniseries that would in fact profile the long-distance relationship between my boyfriend and I and how our lives intertwine and how our lives are different when we're apart. My name is Pamela. My boyfriend's name is Darren. He's also known as Slick. I am from California. He is from Maine. He is 17 years my senior, and we have been together for the better part of 10 years. I would like to show you his hectic schedule that keeps us on our toes. In February, I am reunited with Darren in California until May, where he works and travels almost every day. We say farewell in May when Slick flies home for the summer. Although I do come to visit, it is a long summer apart. Slick is the vice president of the Maine Mini Cup Association and also a driver. He operates Slick's Welding as a race car mechanic. In July, he coordinates his personal race, the Daytona. Darren flies back to California in September as soon as work calls. In September, he hits the ground running. In November, he goes home for the holidays. During this time, he holds the infamous rules meeting, and he flies me home to visit. Here are some of the highlights for the audience, a preview of main events. The rules meeting, that's always fun. It's a blast. I would hope that the audience would root for mine and Darren's relationship. The audience would get to see Slick's adventures working in California. They would really get a kick out of the characters in Slick's garage, and they can anticipate the Daytona. The pilot episode would be shot while I'm in Maine visiting during the winter time when the rules meeting takes place. Slick's Welding, the reality show, created by Pamela Parks in 2018.